Let's take a look at the euro dollar for the October 23rd sessions. Again, we're looking at a 4-hour chart. We can see that the price is continuing to move up there, while MACD is saying that the trend is becoming apathetic. And let's go ahead and take a look down on the 1-hour chart. And on the 1-hour chart, you can see that price is really trying to reach up to its previous high from the day before yesterday, and it's struggling. And the MACD is showing us some divergence here. So there's some weakness. This is going to be a very nice setup for us because we're going to get one clear buy and sell here. And so what we're going to do is we're going to extend this high. All right, we're going to extend this high. Let me make sure I grab the right one. We'll stretch it across here. What we're going to do is any kind of close above this resistance line up here on this chart, we're going to, on the 1-hour chart, I should say, we're going to be looking to go long. And any close below this trend line here on the 1-hour chart, we're going to be looking to go short. Now, it's very, very important. As you can see, yesterday we had drawn these channels that were inside these trend lines that were futuristic possible trend lines that never reached that. But as you can see here, we finally did get a close on the euro dollar below that level here on the 1-hour chart. And as we've said before, it was up and down, up and down. So off this, it was a possible, let's say after spread and everything, maybe 20, 24 pips. But in these very, very tight markets like you've seen here, that's what we said. In that 20, 25, 30 pip range, you need to be taking a larger chunk of your money off the table. Then you can see this is what happened during New York and through Asia today. So again, really the buy and sell areas are going to be around this resistance line and this trend line. At close above this resistance line, we're going to be looking for a long. Close below this trend line here, we're going to be looking for a short. And those are the two trades we're going to be looking for on the euro dollar for the upcoming October the 23rd sessions. Let's take a look at the pound dollar for the upcoming October the 23rd sessions. And it's going to be pretty simple. Again, with some of these pairs, we have some very nice, clear, distinct trend lines this evening and resistance areas. So again, it's very, very short, very sweet, some quick analysis, not hard to fight. Any kind of buy or any kind of close above this resistance trend line or support line. There we go. Any kind of close on the 1-hour chart above this resistance line here on the 60-minute chart, we're going to be looking to go long. Any kind of close below this trend line here on the 60-minute chart, below this trend line here, we're going to be looking to go short. And there is a lot of weight to us right now looking for some pullback coming in the next coming sessions. So that's what we're going to be looking for the pound dollar for the October to the 23rd session. One buy, one sell, very clear and distinct. Let's take a look at the dollar Swiss for the October the 23rd session. As you can see, still up and down, not a lot of commitment here. And due to that, as you can see, there was that longer term trade we're still waiting for a close over this trend line here. On a 4-hour basis, we'd be looking to go long. But when we come down in here into these lower time frames, we're going to look real quick and see if there's anything that's setting up. And on the 1-hour chart, we're going to get a little bit better than we did yesterday. We've had some nice, clear, distinct price action. Pretty close to having some divergence here. And so again, we're going to have two very, very good short-term trades we're going to look for. We have a nice trend line in here. Any kind of close above this trend line here on a 1-hour chart, we're looking to go long. Any kind of close below this support area down here to the downside, we're going to be looking to go short. And that's all we're going to be looking for, those three trades. Again, two shorter term trades, one longer term trade based on that 4-hour that we commented on. And that's what we're going to be looking for on the dollar Swiss for the October the 23rd sessions. Let's take a look at the dollar yen for the October the 23rd sessions. It's going to be really simple with this one, folks. There's not a lot that I'm looking for on a buy side right now. Just the way this angle is, no good trend line, no real good support and resistance in here. Basically, I'm going to be looking for one sell in the upcoming session. And that would be if we close below this long-term trend line that we've had this week. If we close below that on a 60-minute chart, then we're going to be looking for a sell. It's about all we're going to be looking for in the upcoming sessions on the dollar yen for the October the 23rd sessions.